we're going to determine if the geometric series from 0 to infinity of 2 times minus 3 over 4 to the n converges or diverges. First, recall that when the series starts at 0, geometric series starts at 0, the standard form is summation from n equals 0 to infinity of a times r to the n, and this converges to a divided by 1 minus r, provided that r is strictly between minus 1 and 1. So in our series, in our case, it perfectly matches to this prototype, with a being 2 and r being minus 3 divided by 4. Clearly that is between minus 1 and 1, so our series converges. And if we write out the first few terms, we end up with the following. So this is 2 times minus 3 over 4 to the n. When n equals 0, we have 2. When n equals 1, we have 2 times minus 3 over 4, which is minus 3 over 2. Plus, when n is equal to 2, we have 9 over 16 times 2. That's 9 over 8. When n equals to 3, we have minus 27 divided by 64. So that's minus 27 over 32. You're multiplying by 2, and so on. And this series converges to a2 divided by 1 minus r. So that is 1 minus a negative 3 over 4. And that becomes 2 divided by 7 over 4, which is 8 over 7. Now, what if the series was given to us not in this summation sigma notation, but instead as this sum, 2 minus 3 halves plus 9 over 8 minus 27 over 32, and so on. We were asked to find its sum. So first we would have had to make sure that this was a geometric series. The way to do that is to divide minus 3 halves by 2, then 9 over 8 by minus 3 halves, then minus 27 over 32 by 9 over 8. So in all of these cases we'd get the same common ratio, which is r equals minus 3 over 4. And once we check that ratio is between minus 1 and 1, we would recognize this is first a geometric series, and then the second is converging geometric series, which converges to first term divided by 1 minus this common ratio. And so this will be, first term is 2 divided by 1 minus the common ratio minus 3 over 4. Once again, we get 2 divided by 7 over 4, which is 8 over 7. And for more videos, visit